remember. I'm scared. There it is. There it is. Bruh. Oh. Anyways, so what do we do, guys? Oh my god, that was so fucking scary. Guys, I'm so stressed. This is the most stressful game ever. I can't. It's so scary. I swear to god, he's not completely blind. I swear. I did? I passed it? Shit. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy after this game. This game is gonna make me go crazy. Crazy. Oh my god. Fuck! I'm back where I am! I'm back where I am! Oh my fucking god! I'm in my own personal hell! Bro, don't look. 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 Don't look. Where's the elevator, please? Ah, my greatest weakness. The tunnel. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my fucking god, it's right here. Oh my god, okay. What do I do? What do I do? I think I just have like 30 years off of my lifespan. That's just... What the fuck? He's coming back. I can't. He's right here. This is so stressful. My stomach actually hurts from pain. I'm in so much stress. I can't do it. It's actually something fucking... This is the scariest game I've ever played in my life. Please. This is torture. This is torture. What do I do? Chat. Understand. Daddy saw it! I thought he was coming from behind me! I did my best, guys. Why am I not... Am I dead or... That was so stressful. I'm gonna die. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you, and Alouette. Thank you for getting me out of that shit. You're welcome, girl. I got you. You're my bestie. I know I'm your bestie. Yes, we're besties. Oh, I got your back every day, every time, every second. That was terrible. That was the worst experience of my life.